Here we go. I thought I'd show you something this morning. Working on your own and being your own boss is awesome. And also I get to choose where I want to have my lunch and smokers and morning tea, whatever you want to call it, you know, crib. It's got that many different names. But anyway, here's my spot for the morning. My esky and a little spot by a nice peaceful creek that I just created for myself. Well, not just for me, for the owners of the property. Yeah. I'm going to show you something else too. Something else that Yanmar's good for. In here, I open this up. That's where the engine is. And then I open this up. And this is where the coolers are. I'll show you what that's good for. Give me a moment. My smoker. This is my lunch. My lovely wife made me a lovely quiche last night, and I got a piece of it here. And see in here, all the hot air comes out of here. Chunk of wood in there, put it in there. Anyway, that's what you get when you're mulching. All the hot air comes out of there off the engine, and that is the perfect spot for heating my smoker or my lunch. Oh, Spidey, little baby Spidey. Wonder what he is. Building a nest on my excavator. Not a good spot, Spidey. Anyway, shut the oven door here, and yeah, that'll be ready for me, nice and warm at lunchtime. You got to get creative when you're out in the bush. Anyway, I'm going to sit down and have a snack, and then contemplate getting through all of this stuff here. It's lunchtime. Time to get the food out the oven. There it is in there. I'll set you up here. We can do it with two hands. Warm, tasty food out in the bush.